many of us feel a quiet longing, a deep desire to touch the earth, to nurture green life, to watch life unfurl from a tiny seed. Stood on your balcony, gazing at empty space, or seen a forgotten patio corner, feeling a gentle sigh escape you. Felt the ache of a failed attempt? A pot that never quite thrived, or a harvest that withered too soon. Dream of fresh herbs or color, often feels out of grasp. Confined by limited space, or the whisper, "Where do I begin?" What if the secret wasn't more space or time, but understanding the right vessel? The perfect sanctuary for your plant spirit? Today, we explore diverse container gardening. Our journey unveils a master type. An ancient secret transcends limitation, transforming spaces into a living tapestry. A living wall whispers stories of growth and enduring beauty. You will see this landscape clearly and know your exact path. Terracotta pots hold undeniable charm, a warmth from gardening history. Feel its rough, unglazed texture. A simple, earthy connection. Notice how its porous clay breathes, absorbing warmth, releasing moisture. A miniature climate plants adore. The subtle mineral scent after watering. A primal comfort. Your world alive. Many journeys begin. Basil, marigold, lavender. It feels authentic, unpretentious. Asks little but gives much. Thrives in open, airy spaces. Perfect for rosemary, thyme, oregano. Ideal for succulents and cacti. Choose for classic rustic aesthetics. Natural moisture regulation. A connection to ancient ways. Look elsewhere if watering is a struggle. Terracotta dries quickly. Not for tender plants in harsh winters. Gold nugget. Soak new terracotta pots. For at least an hour, this saturates clay, protects fragile roots, offering a gentler transition. Admire vibrant ribbons on windowsills, bringing joy to urban landscapes, or charm to a cottage. Delicate artistry frames a view, softening a building's lines. Feel cool dew on petunias. Hear leaves rustle in your sky garden. Feels like a secret garden suspended. A private conversation with vibrant life. Solution for limited ground space. Transforms a window into a focal point. Perfect for colorful annuals cascades. A pantry of kitchen herbs. Snip fresh chives as you cook. Thrives on window ledges. Balcony railings. Or sturdy fence lines in sunlight. Choose for maximizing small spaces. Adding curb appeal. Garden at eye level. Look elsewhere if watering is inconsistent. Window boxes dry fast. Not for very deep-rooted plants. Gold nugget. Line with coir or newspaper. Slows moisture loss. A longer drink. You see the pattern now. Each vessel whispers a different promise. Suited for your world and care. These containers have gentle pliability. Softness belies their robust strength. Feel the breathable texture, woven for life. Notice it swells and settles with growth, almost part of the living earth. Bags air-prune roots uniquely, preventing circling and root-bound issues. Allows stronger, fibrous root systems. For healthier plant growth, incredibly versatile for generous harvests. Potatoes, carrots, tomatoes, peppers. Ample room for root development. Thrive on patios, balconies, flat surfaces. For lightweight, flexible planting. Choose for superior root health. Ease of storage when empty. Affordable for growing larger vegetables. Look elsewhere if rigid aesthetics are preferred, or need no moisture rings underneath. Breathable nature allows some seepage. Golden nugget. Elevate fabric grow bags. Enhances air circulation and drainage. Prevents pests or water accumulation. If this quiet exploration feels like home, if discovery resonates with your gardener within, subscribe and join me here. We'll tend small miracles together, cultivating profound peace. Imagine tending your garden with ease, without the deep bend, reaching to pluck a ripe berry, or thin a row of tender lettuce. Elevated beds are designed thoughtfully, bringing earth up to meet you, transforming effort into joy. Feel the sturdy wooden frame embrace. Or clean metal design lines, promising years of fruitful partnership. A permanent fixture grounding ambitions, perfect for mobility struggles or working at a comfortable height. Making gardening accessible, enjoyable longer. Allow deep soil that warms quickly. extending your growing season, offering excellent drainage. Thrive on larger patios, courtyards, or sturdy decking surfaces, providing generous growing area for plants. From vegetables to fragrant herbs, choose for ergonomic comfort. Extended growing seasons, dedicated, manageable garden space. Look elsewhere if space is minimal or initial investment is a concern. Gold nugget. Integrate drip irrigation. Saves countless hours of watering. Ensures consistent moisture. The tapestry of possibilities weaves now. Each thread unique, all connected by desire for green solace. Imagine reclaiming forgotten walls, transforming them into living green murals. Plants cascade and climb in triumph. Delightful ingenuity in these systems. Elegant solution for more growing space. Seen lush strawberries ripening vertically or herbs in an artistic display? Feeling inspiration for your own space? It feels like magic to grow upwards. Defying horizontal limitations. Maximize growing area in tiny footprints. Ideal for urban dwellers, small balconies. Adding productivity to a bare wall. Offer homes to shallow-rooted plants, lettuces, spinach, herbs, ornamental flowers. Thrive against sunny walls, small patios, or in a bright sunroom, turning unused vertical space into display. Choose if ground space is limited. Desire a visually striking garden, and enjoy growing upwards. Look elsewhere if uniform moisture is preferred. Upper tiers dry faster, need monitoring. Not for very large, deep-rooted vegetables. Gold nugget. Place thirsty plants lower. Water naturally drains downwards, ensuring ample hydration. Experienced anxiety leaving your plants? Wondering if they'll survive thirst? Clever design offers peace of mind. Hidden reservoir wicks water to roots. Notice consistent, vibrant green leaves, unmarred by irregular hydration. Feels like a silent helper tending, even when you cannot. A steadfast companion. Excels for plants with consistent moisture. Herbs, small vegetables, annual flowers. Ideal for busy individuals or travelers. Thrive where consistent moisture is key, but frequent manual watering isn't feasible. Choose for convenience, plant health, freedom from daily watering. Look elsewhere if you prefer control or need plants that demand dry spells. Golden nugget. Use coarse potting mix. Fine soil hinders wicking. The canvas of your garden is almost complete. Each stroke reveals deeper understanding of growth and possibility. This is the ancient secret, the master type that transcends limitation, turning walls into living art, a self-sustaining cascade of nourishment. Imagine a vertical landscape bursting with vibrant greens, fragrant blossoms, ripening fruits within easy reach. A vision of abundance. Dreamed of abundant harvests in tiny spaces? This system answers that call, creating a micro-ecosystem, mimicking nature's efficiency. Feels like walking into a painting. A painting you can taste, a fusion of beauty and utility. These modular systems allow multitudes, shallow-rooted edibles and ornamentals, greens, herbs, strawberries, nasturtiums. Ultimate solution for extreme space. Transforming barren walls into wonders. Choose to embrace innovation, maximize vertical space. Create a breathtaking, self-sufficient landscape that defies traditional norms. Look elsewhere if you prefer simple pots, or if setup and watering seem daunting. Profound nugget for self-sustainability. Incorporate closed-loop irrigation system. Recycles water and nutrients, mimicking natural cycles, reducing waste. This is ultimate freedom. You have journeyed through container gardening wisdom. From humble terracotta to edible wall, longing for green feels no longer out of reach. Choices no longer seem overwhelming. You hold a clear map to your green sanctuary. Picture your chosen corner, no matter how small, brimming with life. The scent of mint on a gentle breeze. The satisfying crumble of rich soil. Vibrant color of a tomato ripening. Your garden journey begins not with a grand gesture, but with a thoughtful choice. A peaceful understanding that will enrich your days. May your hands be guided, your patience rewarded, your spirit nourished by quiet miracles. The quiet miracles you cultivate.